we have nothing. So I've been talking about doing this for a long time, and that is Magsafing the Nothing phone. I am a bit scared to open this up. I've seen a lot of videos where people are struggling, so we're gonna have to see how this turns out. First things first, we're gonna have to cook the Nothing phone. While the Nothing phone is cooking, I kind of want to give you guys a sneak peek of the fake Samsung S22 Ultra. So this phone is quite interesting. I can't really tell if it's running an actual version of Samsung OS because it has everything that a Samsung phone would have. Like it has the Galaxy Store and all this stuff is legitimate. It does actually work. That kind of baffles me a little bit. The Nothing phone is done cooking. We have to get under this back glass and remove it without breaking it. Hopefully we don't break it. I would hate to have broken this. Oh, okay. That was really easy. This is probably why this is only IP53, because look how easy that is. I'm just under there. There's this black kind of paint on the actual glass, and I'm assuming that's where they put the adhesive, because if they were to put it where the glass is see-through, then it would look extremely ugly. I don't want to get fingerprints on the inside of the device. Let's open up this device. I'm deeply considering opening it up more, but I think I'll leave that for another video. This seems kind of different from regular Android builds, which is much needed because I'm sick of opening up the same kind of looking phone over and over. The back glass also has a bit of a tint that most people may not be aware of. Magsafing, as you know, is really simple and really easy. We'll pull out our MagSafe magnets. Perfect. Okay. The moment of truth. I think that's perfectly aligned. Now we'll remove the wrapper. Some of the foam padding here is still there, so we're just gonna move that. We'll reapply the back glass.
That was easy.
I can tell this is gonna be a huge issue. When people open this up, they're gonna get the insides really dirty and kind of ruin the overall vibe of the phone. We now have the device MagSafed. Let's see if this actually works. We're gonna be using a MagSafe charger from Apple. Bam, we have charging. So it holds really well and it actually looks really pretty. Adding MagSafe obviously opens up a door to any accessories. I can use my Apple Wallet on my Nothing phone. I can use the Razer MagSafe cooler. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and I'll see you guys when I post the fake S22 Ultra video. Peace.